Hey there, and welcome back to the Sure Lock and Key channel. If you've ever lost the combination to your safe or inherited one without the code, you might be asking yourself, can a locksmith open a safe without the combination? Today, we're answering that question and showing you how professional locksmiths approach safes when the combination is missing. Let's get into it. Losing access to a safe is more common than you'd think. Maybe the code was misplaced, the batteries in a digital safe died, or you've inherited a locked unit. Whatever the case, when you can't open your safe, the situation can quickly go from frustrating to urgent. Yes, a professional locksmith can open most safes even without the combination. The method depends on the type of safe and whether you want to keep using it after it's opened. For mechanical safes, locksmiths often use a method called manipulation. It's a skillful process where we feel and listen to the internal movements of the lock, slowly identifying the correct combination. This method requires no drilling or damage, and if successful, allows the safe to be reused as is. For electronic safes, options vary. Locksmiths may reset the system, use decoding equipment, or access an override key slot, depending on the model. Some safes even have factory-set master codes that can be used once ownership is confirmed. When non-destructive options aren't viable, precision drilling is the next step. This is a controlled process where we access the locking mechanism without damaging the interior or the contents. Once open, we can repair or replace the lock, restoring the safe for continued use. This is a common concern, and an important one. Yes, it's completely legal for a locksmith to open a safe as long as you can prove ownership. We'll ask for ID, purchase records, or confirmation of property ownership before we begin. Security and trust are always our top priorities. Recently, we helped a customer unlock an old safe that had been in her family for years. She had no idea what was inside, and thanks to non-destructive entry, she was able to recover important documents and even a few treasured items from her grandparents. If your safe won't open and you don't want to risk damaging it or what's inside, it's time to call in the pros. At Sure Lock and Key, our technicians are trained to handle a wide range of safes using methods that are safe, legal, and reliable. Need help with a locked safe? Call us today or visit our website to schedule service. Got a question? Drop it in the comments below. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. And remember, when it comes to safes, Sure Lock and Key has you covered. Until next time, stay safe and secure.